The new model we're testing here in Australia is our LUXE-GT. This is our halo product, the pinnacle of 4 years of effort, creating a Bronco that we believe will be the best vintage Bronco ever remastered. The product concept we set out to deliver on started off in Montana. It came to Melbourne and we're going to launch this thing in Monterey. Gateway Bronco came all the way to Australia to work with Prim Car. We were looking for a development partner that could provide a fully integrated, remastered vintage Ford Bronco. And that's the software, the safety, and the mechanical systems all in one, working in harmony. They have engineers, but they also have the ability to create the CAN bus software system that integrates everything together, like anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, things that just are not available in the current product today. And we wanted to have a development partner that could provide all of that in a safe, reliable package with OEM level of performance, reliability, and that keyword safety. My expectations have truly been exceeded by what these engineers have done. It's so well put together that this vehicle is now not competing with the vintage Bronco market. It is now a remastered vehicle that's competing at the world stage.